It's actually a Black Friday. Quite insane. Somebody says, hey, you can't hear me? What do you mean by that? You can hear me, I know for a fact. You can, you know, I know you can hear me for a fact. I know that. Don't tell me you can't hear me. Someone says I can hear you. Yeah, fact is. Okay. Am I audible now? Yeah, I think we're good now. Sorry about that. I think we're good now. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I actually forgot to turn on my mic, you know. It's crazy. For whatever reason, I don't know. Hopefully we're all good today. It's a good Friday. Beautiful Friday. Actually, a Black Friday. Yeah. I don't know how dark today's Friday is, but everybody says it's a Black Friday, you know. Yeah, so we're back on a live stream. We have 29 viewers. Beautiful stuff. Amazing stuff. All right. Do we have anything going on fundamentally today? I don't think so. So it's a New York live stream. Hopefully we're ready for today. Gonna be here for some time. Well, before I go further, right? This is what's happening on gold right now. I saw this happening. I think I spoke about this earlier on the I spoke about this on my stories on IG. If you don't follow me on IG, make sure you go follow, right? You might get a lot of content from there, a lot of value, all right? So we discussed this earlier, right? So I mentioned that if price can break 1994, that perhaps we were going to go to the upside. All right, so if probably you saw that earlier, you know, you were going to take advantage of this, right? So make sure you go check out my IG if you're not really there as yet, right? I think the handle is somewhere around here. I think so, right? So yeah, we had this level 1994. Someone says good to have you around. Yeah, good to have you around too. Why was forex trading created? David, who created trading? First, tell me that. I think you know so much about trading than I do. Who created trading? Tell me about that. So we broke this specific area. The best thing to do, you know what was the best thing to do? The best thing to do was to obviously make an execution right there. Stops below this level. And first TP could have been somewhere around here, but markets could move all the way to the upside. Roughly 100 points. Yeah, crazy. It looks like we have volume on gold right now. Amazing stuff. So we had this support. I spoke about this on IG. Go check out my stories, all right, where I spoke about this today morning. All right, I was ranting about this, you know. I was ranting about this today morning. So you check this. Go check my IG there. I did rant about this. Ooh, crazy. Crazy. And I'm up like 9,000. Yeah, I entered the same trade, though I didn't risk as I was supposed to, because I didn't really think we would have as much volume today, being a Friday and right after a holiday. I didn't think we would have this much volume, but I entered it anyway. You know, beautiful stuff. You're audible and loud now. Amazing stuff. I don't know, sir. I wasn't mocking you with the question. And I understand, David. I understand. Don't worry about that. You know, don't worry about that. But you see, one thing is for sure, nobody created these markets. Markets exist because of you transacting, you moving around, okay? If you're going to move to South Africa, you're going to move to America, whatever. You doing your exchange. The fact that an economy is existing, markets do exist because of that. All right? So the fact that we have money, okay? That's the reason why these markets exist. Nobody created these markets. Nobody did that. All right? So don't get it twisted. Anyway, it's a beautiful move, man. It's a beautiful move. Beautiful move. Quite easy, isn't it? I think so. If you follow what I do, my trading style is really simple, simplified, and we're actually doing a Black Friday. Yeah, let me put that up. We have a Black Friday going on for the main course where you can actually learn how to trade from me entirely. All right. Let me put that up on the screen here. Let's see. Where is this stuff? Bang, 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 bang. Let's go. Okay, there we have it. All right. So we have a Black Friday. It's like 50% off the main course. It's actually ending as soon as we hit 10 people. All right. We have like, I think 8. No. We have, I think, like 6 slots left. I think so. Yeah. So you can literally learn how to do this, from volume profiles to market structures to ideally identifying trends, to you knowing when to enter markets, when to trade, you know, the risk that you should actually take up. Yeah, very important stuff. Anyway, we have this level here. All right, this is the critical level, but let's check out the 4-hour time frame, because you see the 4-hour time frame gives us a better level than the 30 minutes time frame. So 4-hour time frame says that the actual level actually is this level here, which is roughly 2005. Okay, meaning that this could ideally be our overall TP 2005. Yeah, it could be that. Somebody say, saw the Instagram story and it was fire. Brilliant stuff, you see, right? So if you can follow IG, you probably would get some of these trades before time, because you see sometimes I rant around, okay? And sometimes when I rant around, I'm giving out value unknowingly. Okay. Yeah, I'm giving out value unknowingly. So sometimes we do that, and it's actually a beautiful experience, you know. Yeah, you can learn so much from that. What are you guys trading today, Friday? I'm actually on a gold trade. All right, I didn't plan this trade, honestly. I didn't plan it, but I thought of taking it anyway. Seemed like a beautiful trade. What are you guys trading today? It's a beautiful Friday. What are you guys trading? Just let me know in the comment box. What are you guys trading today? Let me know what you're trading, if I told you are trading anyway. So 4-hour time frame says that the next level of resistance is 2005. If you look at the 30 minutes time frame, obviously that means that we might really need to make some adjustment. Oh, okay, no adjustment. This is actually the ultimate level right there. Beautiful stuff. Amazing stuff. Good to have you here. Good to have you too, man. Good to have you two here too. All right, good to have you too. Why did you come in late today? No, I didn't come in late. You see, New York session starts in about roughly a couple minutes, less than 50 minutes from now. So I'm not late, okay? So we're not late. Anyway, we're actually on time. All right? Yeah. Ask questions. Bring on that energy. What do you want to know about trading? And all that stuff. It's really important. Someone says, how's the weather? It's good, man. I think it's a beautiful weather today. Like right now it's become good. I think it was really hot early today. Like I think 2 hours ago was extremely hot. Was crazily hot. You know. How do I get to catch trades like these ones? You have to learn how to trade. That's the only way. You have to learn how to trade. That's the only way. Was long on GU, just stopped out, break it. Amazing stuff. If it's break even, amazing stuff. Go today, amazing. US 30, beautiful stuff. I like trading US 30 as well sometimes anyway. Not all the time, sometimes. What time frame are you trading in? Well, you don't have to trade in a specific time frame, okay? Right now I have 30 minutes time frame, but it's not like I'm trading in the 30 minutes time frame, all right? You can trade on any time frame. That's the thing, all right? Time frames ideally are meant so you can actually see markets across different time limits. If it's 1 minute limit, if it's 5 hours limit, if it's 10 hours limit, if it's 1 day limit, yeah, all right? Not that you're going to be trading in a specific time frame, all right? So yeah, we normally use time frames to just make an analysis and come up with analysis and just see, okay, fine, you know, on which time frame can I speculate on? Am I going to speculate on a 30 minutes time frame or maybe a 4-hour time frame, whatever the case is, right? So that's ideally how we use time frames, right? And also you need to know which time frames to use. All right, you need to know which time frames to use. I took a buy and go today, but got stopped out. Yeah, I understand why you could have gotten stopped out, because there's a lot of rangy. Right, you know what? Sometimes don't trade on a Friday, okay? If you had a beautiful week, a beautiful trading week, don't trade on a Friday, okay? Let me show you guys that I actually had this trade lined up before time. Just in case somebody's wondering, like, oh, did you see this before? You know, there's always people like that. Let me see. Bang, 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 bang. Ask questions. Yeah, you're actually allowed to do that. All right. You're actually so allowed to do that. Okay, I don't think I saved this anyway, but I spoke about this earlier. If you go check IG and stuff, you go see it there. It's gonna be hard for me to retrieve it. I think I saved it somewhere around. Anyway, yeah. Let's look at a different asset. Let's look at maybe Nasdaq. All right. Oh, we've been ranging here. We had a beautiful buy here, but we've been ranging. All right. Let's take out everything, because you always have to do that if you're gonna get onto a different asset, analyze a different asset. All right. Or probably if you wanna understand the price flow on a specific asset, you obviously have to just make changes to it. All right. So you can't use the same analysis you had yesterday today. You just can't do that. All right. You just can't. How much is your cost? Link is, did I put the link in the description? No. Go check out the Telegram platform. It's actually 6,000 for the full cost, but right now it's like half the price for the Black Friday offer we have. Yeah, I think it's a good way. It's the best time to take advantage of this anyway, you know. Yeah, it should be. Because we're planning to do the next enrollment next year in March. But a lot of people actually asked to you know, have a Black Friday offer for this specific costs, which is actually important. Yeah, so we have that resistance level somewhere there. That looks like our ultimate resistance level. And we have a support somewhere here, our ultimate support, which is this level. Ultimate support, that's a strong level of support. I don't like the music playing right now. Let me switch it up. What's this? What is this? Crazy. Okay. Yeah, so we have ultimate support here, ultimate resistance somewhere there. Do we have any level in between? If you look at the daily time frame, maybe. Okay, daily time frame says, I spoke about this on a Monday. I mentioned, look, this was just a minor retracement. Markets were going back up. So currently, it looks like markets still could move up, because one thing you're going to see here is this, right? The recent day's candle only closed with a rejection, slight rejection upside. But if you check below here, we didn't have any rejection, right? Normally when candles print like that, they give you room that markets are going to push upside. All right. So we actually might get a push up for today. Yeah. Can you explain NYSE time? It's 16:30, my friend. 16:30. All right. Because of the daylight saving, 16:30. So New York session starts in about a couple minutes from now, maybe like 55 minutes or something like that, or 45 minutes, something like that. Yeah, that's CAT anyway. Yeah. Yes. If you check out like the 30 minutes time frame, one thing you realize here is this. Okay, we had a rangy situation. Yesterday was a bank holiday. There was a Thanksgiving holiday in the States. Hence, markets had to behave like this. All right. Down here, the level is actually something like this. Up here, we currently, you see, when you are trading, always get to the closest of what's currently happening to the price. Okay. Don't trade like this. Yeah, I know you've been told to, you know, zoom out like that. I don't know why you guys do that. Like, okay, zoom out like this. And nah, don't do that. Okay. If you day trade, if you want to swing trade, well, maybe. I personally day trade because I feel like swing trading is a whole lot risky than day trading. All right. Especially most of you guys don't have big accounts, right? Yeah, your accounts is like maybe like 1,000, like maybe 2,000, maybe like a 500, whatever, that kind of thing. So I don't see a reason why you should be swing trading with that account. All right. So yeah, how do you count pips on gold? Check out the last decimal place, right? That's the pip value. That's the pip value. So we zoom in something like this. Okay, and we try to understand based off candle formations what's currently likely going to happen. So we okay, fine, we have a support somewhere here. Someone says, Mr. Nas, are you trading today? Yeah, I am. I actually have profits running right now of about like, now it's 11,000. Check my camera there. Yeah, 11,000. 11,000, which is okay for Friday. It's okay. So we have this support. We equally have minor resistance somewhere here, which I don't think you might need to wait for to take buys. You might obviously have to look at maybe the 50 minutes time frame for that. Maybe like, let's say 15. It looks like the current candle on a 30 minutes time frame might actually close bullish, right? It might. Might means it hasn't closed. Okay. Yeah. So it looks like here we have we equally have this level here. If you pay attention on a 15-minute time frame, we have this level, which could act as a critical level. Only if the candle prints above this level, we can take buys. Yeah. Okay. If the candle can print above this level, what price point is this? This should be roughly around like 16,000. Yeah. If price can break 16,000, we can move up, and the peep range from 16,000 is roughly okay, not good. 20 points, not good, right? But if you look at it on a bigger scale, if you look at like the 30 minutes time frame, because I feel like this is like a long-term trade. All right. Up here, it should be like roughly maybe like 70 points or something. 50 points. Okay, not bad. Not bad. But if markets can break this support, okay? If markets can break this support, preferably they can, you know, retest this level and press the downside all the way back. Maybe to this level first. You see this level here? Maybe there first. Retest here all the way down to this level. All right? Yeah, with the current price action, any of the two is, you know, possible. You just have to wait for volume to actually mount up. All right? Don't be an early bird who actually gets, I mean, don't be an early bird who actually gets slaughtered, right? Don't be that. Don't be that. Somebody says, when did you learn about trading? Some time back, man. Like 2016, 17. Yeah. But don't get fooled. I was losing money. Any broker recommendation? What's this guy's name? City. Check description below. I have something pinned here. I only use the best platform, which is XNAS. All right, that's it. I stopped using FX Pro and all that crazy stuff now because the withdrawals were taking long. Now, XNAS, if you see, I'm making money right now. Let me show you that. I'm making money right now. Okay. Immediately I close this trade and withdraw like right now. I'm gonna get my money like in the next 5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, maybe less than 10 minutes. Yeah, that's what you want. That's what you're looking for. Yeah. That's what you're looking for. Someone says, did you ever have a formal job before you're going to trade? No, I didn't have a formal job, but I looked for a formal job. I didn't find it. I've always grown up to be business minded, right? So I tried out different business ideas and stuff like that. I was doing real estate anyway before I got into trading. I was doing real estate, though on an agent basis, right? Not like me buying properties and selling properties. No, I didn't have money by then, you know, so I couldn't do that. There's always going to be 1 or 2 retards, you know, in the inbox, you know. I try to respond peacefully, but there's always going to be like 1 or 2 retards anyway. So some guy sending me a stupid text. You know what I do mostly when someone sends a stupid text? I just delete and block. That's it. I don't think anybody who's trying to fool around deserves a response. I don't think so. You know. Yeah, no need. Block. You're out of there. That's it. Someone says, what makes other assets more profitable? Yeah, I think so. On the same account, leverage is different. Yeah, what makes other assets seem to be more profitable, you know, of course you might use the same leverage, is because of the liquidity at stake. All right, the liquidity at stake. Or you see gold, you see pound yen, you see Nasdaq and US 30. They're so volatile. It's that liquidity Looks like you value more the body close than the wick of the candlestick. Really? You think so? Nah, it's not like that. I have understanding of everything. The wick, I know what that means. For every formation, for every candle, I have concepts around what I see. So when I see it, I make judgments. Okay? You see like what's happening right now on gold, right? Let me show you that. You see what's happening right now on gold? This candle hasn't closed as yet. Yeah, I know there's a rejection there. It's basically an exhaustion in volume. Alright? But that does not mean price is about to change direction. You know why? Because if you look at the 1 hour time frame, alright, this candle, the rejection downside isn't as much. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, alright, this body close up there. Only if this candle closes below here, we can start looking for reversal. As long as this candle remains above this price point, well, we could still get a continuation in movement. Alright? Yeah. How can I learn Forex? Go learn, man. Just go learn. Figure out how you can learn it. Do researches. Sign up to a course. There are a lot of people teaching this thing out there who are actually good. The only mistake you're going to make is think you can teach yourself how to trade. The same way you couldn't teach yourself how to walk, yeah? Your mom how to hold you. Like the way I'm holding my son right now is learning how to walk right now. You know? He's actually learning how to walk right now. So the same way I have to hold him to learn how to walk, trading is the same thing. You can't teach yourself how to trade from scratch. Like you don't know nothing. You don't even know what charts are. You don't even know what a pip is. You have no idea what leverage is. Oh, you're gonna teach yourself? Okay. Oh, the best. You know, so yeah. My son is learning how to walk. Yesterday we were, check this out. Yesterday we went out playing some games. And look at that. He's learning how to stand by himself. Insane, right? Yeah, it's beautiful stuff. You know, trust me, like being a parent is one of the most amazing things you can be. You know, it actually teaches you a lot of things. And it's taught me a lot so far. You know, I feel like I'm putting value on the right things than I was back in the days. I can peacefully say there was a time when I was young, and now I have grown up because of a lot of things that this process teaches you. You tend to value certain things more than other things, so it's just different. If you're a parent, I think you understand. If you're not a parent, you can't really, you know, relate with this. If you're like not a dad, not a mom, you can't relate with this, and it's fine. You know, we're not talking to you. Someone says, how do taxes work for example? Yeah, like right now in my country, I'm pretty much sure maybe you're from Zambia. We're not really getting taxed as such. All right, they're only taxing us based off TP from the bank if you withdraw with the bank, whatever. But we still have a lot of room not to get taxed. All right, but soon a lot of taxing is going to be imposed. Crazy taxation is coming very soon. Could you break down your USD? Okay, fine, we'll do that. It looks like nas100 15 minutes candle could close above 16,000. No, 16, yeah, 16,000. If it can close there, we can move all the way to this level. All right. Could possibly look for buys there. If you look for buys there, you could probably do something like this, right? Maybe if this candle close up there, be like, okay, fine, my stop loss is gonna be maybe like, okay, you can't say 9 points. 9 points is ridiculous for a stop loss. Maybe you say 15 points, okay? 15 points, okay? Because you're leaving room just in case of any rejections. And you'd be like, okay, fine. You know, at the expense of losing 15 points, I want to make 50 points. Now, that's a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio kind of thing, right? Just to make it better, you can be like, okay, fine, you know, I'm going to risk, yeah, 15 points and try to make like a, you know, 49 points. That's okay. That's an okay kind of like a trade, okay? So only if that candle can close up, we can anticipate that. If not, forget about it. All right. Yeah. We have gold trying to reject there. It's okay. You know, it's okay. Let's look at EURUSD as this guy is requesting. Yeah. Someone says, what did you get yourself for Black Friday? Did I have to get myself something for Black Friday? Did I have to? No, I don't think so. I make enough money to just wait for Black Friday, honestly. Nah. I really make enough money. Like, if I want something, I can buy it outside Black Friday. Yeah. I know the prices are good when it's Black Friday. It's for people who are not earning enough. If you're earning enough money, I think you can just do things whenever you want to, honestly. If you make enough money outside Black Friday, you don't have to wait for one day to buy something. It's not like cars on Black Friday. Yeah, maybe if there are some on Black Friday, it could be maybe like a Vitz, maybe like an Allion car, whatever, Mark X, whatever. Yeah, you can't put a Lambo on Black Friday. You just can't do that. You know. But I feel personally, I ain't okay to just wait for Black Friday to buy maybe like a TV, maybe like a gadget, like a phone and stuff. No. You know, it sounds good, but anyway, shouldn't sound like I'm bragging. I'm just trying to show you the level I'm at, motivate you to also get there, possibly if you can work hard. All right, so we have this resistance and we have this support somewhere here. We have a range situation. Break of the range upside, we go up to this level. Break of the range downside, we fill up maybe this week, okay, to this level. If we fill up the week, possibly we come all the way down to this area here, which I personally would go for. All right, so we wait for that. Oh, what happened? Okay, fine. 35 people on the, actually 43. Yeah, 43 people on this live stream. Let's click the like button if you guys want me to continue or not. I'm just gonna walk out of this place. I'm just gonna walk out of this place and just go figure out something else, because you see it's Friday, yeah. I could spend time with my family and just take them out or whatever that can be. But I'm here with you guys. You need to appreciate that. Just like, you know, drop some fire emojis. I think that's the best you can do, yeah. Drop some fire emojis. Like the video. That's the only way you can show that you're really enjoying what you're having here. Someone says, that's why I like your streams. We ask, you teach. Yeah, that's the brilliant stuff about this. So you ask a question and I explain what I personally feel is a right approach to handling trading. Yeah. I appreciate the fact that you join this stuff. Okay, keep joining. You will learn a lot of stuff. As a matter of fact, you could also learn more stuff from the actual course, which is currently on a 50% Black Friday off price, whatever, that kind of thing. You can learn so much from that. Do the asking. Let's go. Blows my mind how simple you keep it. You think there's more to it, but it's just that. Yeah, it's just that. It's just this. Do you offer copy trading? No, I don't. I offer signals. Signals open on the 3rd of December. 3rd of December. We open up the signal platform. 3rd of December. All right. I've got a birthday this December. Yeah. I'm not asking for money from you. It's okay. You know, when you mention birthday and stuff, people think like, oh, he's about to ask for money, you know, like. No, I'm not asking for money. Okay, if you want to gift me, you gift me. It's okay, I understand that. Yeah, anyway, so next window open for signals is the 3rd. I have a birthday on the 23rd. Yeah, my son is born on the 2nd. Yeah, someone special to me is born in February 27th. Wifey's birthday. Crazy. So much going on. Anyway, beautiful festive season, yeah. Let me break down EURUSD even more. If I go 30 minutes time frame, you realize something here, that the level that we're looking at currently is not this. Okay, it is not this. It is this one. Okay, it is that one. The level we're looking at here is currently this level. That's the ultimate level. The level we're looking at downside is not this one. It's not this one. It is actually this one. Okay, looking at price action. All right, and currently it looks like this candle closed with so much volume for buyers. Maybe the next candle, if it can close above, we look for buys here. All right, look for buys there, and you just, you know, Yeah, somewhere up here. Look for buys and see what price does all the way to up there. But you see, Fridays, I would not recommend you hold trades for long term. Okay, unless you swing trade. Yeah, I understand, but don't hold trades for long term, because anything can happen on a Friday. Anything can happen on a Friday. Someone says, let's say I buy the calls today on a Black Friday offer. What do I get? Okay, man, let me show you what you get. Okay, fine. You actually have access to the complete database. Okay, so you see, this is Forex Supreme's club. All right, this is where everybody who I've taught trading is in. They make the money from here. They see my trades. They actually analyze markets with everybody else. You can see these are real human beings, not robots. Okay, these are different people, different, you know, whatever, that kind of thing. And you definitely have access to all these different channels where, you know, you can have the broker I use, you know, links. This is not important anyway. What's more important are the trade ideas. Okay, I give you trade ideas every now and then, not signals, ideas. You equally have access to recordings. Okay, recorded material. I won't show this because some of you guys, I know you guys are crazy. You might screenshot and get access to that. All right, so you have recordings, bootcamp recordings. You equally, I think we've done 2 online bootcamps, so you have recordings to that. You can go over. If you join now, you have recordings to all that stuff, all that content. You equally have recordings to all webinars that we've done in the past, as much as future recordings. All right, at the same time, you get scheduled in for the entire course as soon as next week. So that's beautiful stuff, right? So yeah, that's amazing. You basically learn how to trade from scratch and or whatever, that kind of thing. Okay, fine. Somebody says we're learning something new every live stream. Amazing stuff. Hagai, amazing stuff. I'm only 17, sir. Learning from the right people is very cardinal. Yeah, it is actually. 3rd December on what platform? It's actually on Discord, man. Let me show you that. Okay, we have a Signal platform. It's actually on Discord. You see this? This is a Discord platform, and these are the signals. You saw we queued out gold sales. Yeah, we queued out buys on gold. Yeah, you know, buys and whatever, that kind of thing. You learn and earn on the platform. You basically learn, oh, okay, fine. You know, why did you take this trade, Mr. Nas? Okay, fine. You know why I took this trade? Okay, fine. You know, these are the reasons. Okay, I had to wait for volume. Okay, I had to wait for a certain level to get created. I had to trade in a specific session. Okay, and this was the approach. At the same time, we had this as a turnout. You learn from this stuff. Yeah, tell me who won't learn from this stuff. Because, you know, if okay, we say this is it, give a signal thereafter. You learn from this stuff. Yeah. And I think it's different from how everybody else is doing it. Trust me, I think it's different. Because I know for a fact that before, most people, you know what they do these days? They put you in like a Telegram platform, and they add you in there, power you up in there. You can't ask anything. You can't interact with nobody. You're the only person in there who can just see what's going on. It's easy to manipulate a platform like that. But here, you can't manipulate here because people are watching. Okay. You know, if I take a buy trade, they are watching. They take the same trade. If I throw up a trade plan like this, they're watching. And they'll be like, okay, you know, will it play out? Oh, okay, played out. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, there's a lot more to this than that. We have live trading here. You see live trading there? We do trade live sometimes. We go on a session like this, though on Zoom, and sometimes on Discord, we live trade, and it's an amazing experience, trust. It's an amazing experience. Really an amazing experience. Okay, fine. Let's look at what's happening on Nasdaq. Oh, the candle broke up. Okay, but it closed with a rejection upside. Next candle came down. So it's always best to wait for confirmation. There's no much confirmation. 30 minutes candle, let's see. 30 minutes candle looked like it closed up. All right, yeah, so it means that we're just limited to this price action within this range. All right, I might be forced to waiting, you know, just wait and see what happens. Somebody says how often do you enroll for Signal platform? Yeah, it happens randomly, honestly. Not really as often, but randomly. I didn't see you posting your waiting on IG. Yeah, was it necessary? Okay. But I'll invite you when I do a good wedding, okay? I'll invite you. That's if when we decide and want to. Trading is an art if well executed. Yeah. How much is it to join and learn? It's currently 3,000, but after 10 people have joined for this Black Friday offer, it's going back to 6,000 and only going to be accessible in March next year, 2024. Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's see what's happening with. I hope you guys got some value from this EURUSD breakdown. Let's see what's happening on gold. Okay. What's happening on gold right now? Oh, gold keeps pushing up. Gold keeps pushing up. So we had a rejection. That wasn't really, anything to look at. Price is moving up. Sometime back, I would trade trend lines. Yeah. I would be like, okay, fine. I know most of you guys do that. Okay. I'll be like, okay, fine. If we have a trend line, like, okay, something like this, maybe, and be like, okay, if price breaks this trend line, maybe and only maybe, all right, if price breaks this trend line, maybe and only maybe we could see, because the idea is that if price breaks a trend line, maybe and only maybe price could go all the way to the upside. Yeah, that's one of the ways to trade. Yeah, but I don't find that so consistent, hence I stopped using this stuff. All right, and people be like, okay, fine, we have maybe a trend line down here, and be like, oh, okay, we had a trend line. Yeah, so price came here, tested once, twice, 3 times, 1, 2. If we break upside, we get volume. Yeah. Anyway, I'll be ending this live stream soon because it's a Friday. Nothing really crazy going on, especially from my side. Oh, okay, so it's time to just relax. Less money being put to risk. But I have like 9,000. It was like 11,000 running, but now it's like 9. I'm waiting to see if maybe we can go all the way up there. If we can, we'll be okay. Someone says, at what point does candle retest after a breakout? Well, it differs. It's not all the time, Hubert. It's not all the time. Okay? It differs. You just have to follow with the current price action, what's currently happening in the markets. And you can obviously make changes and actually understand, okay, fine, will markets retest? Will they not? Stuff like that. Yeah. Forex Supremes, appreciate. Thanks a lot for the response anytime. You're most welcome. You see why I come here? I come here for people like you. Eliam, I hope I mentioned your name right. Okay? Oh, too much volume here. I come here for people like you. Okay? For people like you. To answer your questions and help you get knowledgeable. Alright? I don't come here for fun. I don't come here to just brag. I don't come here to, show you how I live and the things I own. I come here to help you figure out things you can't figure out. That's the reason why I can easily show you my charts, because you know what? There are traders out there who won't feel comfortable showing you their charts. You know why? They feel like, they're going to learn my trading style for free. No, I show you what I do. Okay, if you're going to pick it up for free, if you're going to join the courses, whatever, I don't care about that, honestly. If you want to, my idea of coming up with the course is to help people who are willing to learn about trading. How can I join Forex Supremes team? Well, you just have to sign up for the course and that's it. You'll be part of that. That's the only team you can join anyway. Somebody says, what's the 800 per day? Someone told you about 800 per day. Now there's nothing like that. Maybe that's 6 signals for a month, yeah? Nothing like a day, whatever. Alright? Don't get it twisted. Yeah. So I had this gold buy. I'm sure most of you guys understand why we had this buy anyway. Even if you caught it from here, I understand. Alright? If you caught this buy from like somewhere here, and you were like, oh, okay, I bought here, and maybe my stop loss is like somewhere here, maybe my TP is like somewhere there. I understand. You know why I understand? Because you're waiting to see if this resistance level can be broken, and as soon as this candle close outside, though not significantly, but you're going to take an impulse entry somewhere there and possibly say, okay, fine, my stop is going to be below this candle. With that impulse entry, I'll possibly target roughly, this is like 70 points. Yeah, 70 points, which is good. Which is brilliant stuff. I learned so much from these streams. Please keep doing them. I will. For your sake, I'll keep doing them. Is it wrong to trade in December? Are there any changes? Nah, there is no changes. You can trade in December. You're actually free. You see, we're going to be trading the entire of December. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. The entire of December. Maybe we won't trade on Christmas Day. Maybe New Year's Day. Yeah, but we'll trade the entire of December. People have this misconception. Like, oh, you can't trade in December. Yeah, I understand. Investors really slow down, but there's still liquidity on the markets. You can still make money on the markets. There's a lot of liquidity. You can do that. You're going to see that. The entire of December, we're going to be trading. Someone says, are we seeing a new car anytime soon, apart from the financials? Well, right now, honestly, I was going to get a new car this year. I was like, this to getting a new car. That was in August. But I just pushed the money away for something else, honestly. Yeah, maybe next year. I don't really feel the need right now. I know like the industry requires you to change cars every now and then. I don't see the need. Like, I'm not trying to prove a point to anybody. If I'm okay, I'm okay, you know. The guys buying cars every day, every now and then, not putting number plates. You know, and they keep changing cars, yeah? But you never see them expose a plate for that car. You know why? Possibly they're renting the car, you know. It's easy to rent a car. You know, or possibly they're like into car business. They just sell cars and make it look like they own that car. Yeah, so. But if you can show me, look, okay, I bought this car only for this period of time. I have a plate on it and I can show it easily. Because I don't get the twist, right? Like, what's creepy about showing your plate? You buy a car and show the plate. What's creepy about that? Like if I buy a car, like I put a plate there on it, whatever the case is. It might not really be something special, but any plate is okay. If I can show it, like, okay, if you decide to post, you're already deciding to show us your plate, whatever the thing is, right? So if you're going to post something, you've agreed that you're okay showing us whatever you're showing us. You just want to show us the car. You want to show us the plate. You want to show us, okay, you own that car, right? Yeah, so let me show you guys something really important. Okay, fine. Give me 1 minute, yeah? Let me show you guys something. Okay, let me just show you guys something. So I'm back anyway. Yeah. I said I was going to show you guys something. Yeah. Let me show you guys this, right? So you see this? 1 minute. Okay. I want to make sure I cover certain information because I just have to. Okay. Some are things we don't really like showing, but people ask questions and stuff. You see all these are different car certificates, right? We call these ones, what do you call them? We call them title. We call them white books in this country. In Zambia, we call them white books. You see this? Let's count them. All right, let's count them. This is, let's take out one. This is 1. Yeah. This is 1. All right. This is 2. This is 3. Yeah, it's a white book, man. You see that? It's a white book. So this is 3. This is 4. Yeah. This is 4. This is 5. I don't rent no car. I have about 5 cars in my name. Everything to my name. And Never rented any car. Everything I have is mine, to my name. Everything. And if I post a car and I show the plate, it's because it's mine. I don't see how, but people will be posting different cars every month. Be careful, right? People are doing crazy stuff these days. Anyway, away from that. Let's look at Nasdaq is dropping. Range is still. Gold is still trying to play around here. Somebody says fire. I know you own everything you have. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. If you're making money, you definitely have to own what you have. I appreciate you for doing this. Anytime I want to join your trading signal group, where and how do I join? You can join on the 3rd, okay? On the 3rd of December, we are allowing 25 people on the platform. Right now, we have around like maybe 40 something people on the platform. Yeah. Yeah, 3rd of December. 3rd. What's the anticipation for the oncoming NFP? Join the Signal platform. We're gonna trade NFP live. Okay, let me show you guys that. Okay, so we're gonna trade NFP live together in here where it says live trading. You see here where it says live trading, live. You see me here. I call out trades during NFP. We're gonna do that. Okay, we're gonna do that, guys. I'm almost out of here. Hopefully you enjoyed today. Let's go park these back. Always keep them close. Really important. It's good to have titles to your name, I think this is what makes you feel good. This is what makes you... It's not just cars anyway. I could show like other titles, but this is what makes you feel good. Makes you feel good anyway. Like sometimes you just sit back and look at it and be like, oh, okay, so I own all this and it's good. Nothing crazy. Anyway, it's just a result of hard work, working really hard, and ensuring that all times you're working hard, you are keeping to the books, and everything is legit, everything is okay. So yeah, next week, let's see, do we have anything next week? Next week we have unemployment claims, GDP. We have the third chairperson speaking on a Friday. Brilliant stuff. Yeah, but check out December, guys. Check out December. More reason why you should be part of the... If you don't know how to trade, that's the reason, right? Okay, if you know how to trade, don't be a part of it. It's okay. But if you don't know how to trade, more reason why you should be part of the Signal platform is because of this. Check out, this is December, right? This is December next month. We have already, if you check, we have the chairperson speaking this Friday. One, we have unemployment claims. We have NFP on the 8th. Okay, we have CPI in December. The same December people say don't trade in December. Don't trade in December. Me, I don't trade in December. The banks, they close in December. The banks close. Yeah, the same December they say that. We have CPI. We have GDP. This is the final GDP for the pound. We equally have the final GDP for the dollar. Yeah, look at that. We have the final GDP for the dollar, which is on the 21st. This is like 2 days before my birthday because I'm born on the 23rd. 2 days before that, we have the final GDP. We equally have retail sales. You see that? We have so much going on. Most anticipated is the FOMC, which is happening on the 3rd. Check out this. On the 3rd of December. 13th actually. 13th of December. We have FOMC happening. Why shouldn't you trade December? Why are they lying to you? Why are they lying to you? I'm marking the date anytime. Congratulations, anytime. Thanks a lot, man. Guys, I'm out of here. We'll check you out next week, Monday. There was really nothing going on today apart from this gold buy and these anticipated moves. Okay, this could push up. Don't forget, this could push uppy. Okay, uppy to where? Uppy to somewhere here. Okay, only if it breaks this level. If it breaks here, also continuation to the upside to the... And okay, maybe if you guys want me to remain here up to New York Open, let me see how many people like this stream. Let's see how many likes do we have. I'll only remain here up to for the next, let's say, because New York session opens in the next 9 minutes. I can remain here to see how the open is going to turn out to be. If 21 of you like, because we have 22 likes right now, which is not good. if we can get that to maybe 40 likes, because 28 people plus 22, okay, fine. Okay, let's get it to 40 likes. Right, let's do that. Let's get it to 40 likes. Just click like, and I'm gonna make sure that I remain here for the entire of the next 9 minutes till New York open. Okay, you see, New York open is when we have liquidity kick in on the markets. Yeah, it's when we have liquidity kick in on the markets. All right, so if we don't get to 40 likes, I end this right now. All right, so I'm just watching this here. Okay, because maybe by New York we could come up with a trade around here. Okay, maybe by New York open we could come up with a trade around. Okay, we have 26 likes, which is bad. So I'm gonna end this stream. 27. I'm gonna end this stream. Okay, gold has roughly like I'm still holding gold anyway. 40 more points to hit TP. Still holding gold anyway. Let me just push my stop loss in profit below the recent candle. The recent 30-minute candle just below it. I'll be securing 8,000 if my stop loss is hit. Right now I'm up 11,000, which is not bad, honestly. Which is not bad. I'm out of here. Nobody wants me to be around for New York session. We'll take you guys.